A model is a file of weights. Let's actually look at that file. Because when you go to download a model, you'll bump into words like Safetensors, GGUF, and Quantized. They sound technical, they're simple. Here's each one. First, tensor. Remember we said a stack of grids is a tensor? The model's weights are stored exactly like that, as tensors. So tensor is just the word for the big stack of numbers the model learned. Now the formats. One you'll see a lot is Safetensors. It's simply a safe, standard way to store those weight tensors on disk. Think of it like .jpg for photos, a common container everyone agrees on. The other big one is GGUF. It's an all-in-one, compressed container built so you can run a model on everyday hardware, even your own laptop. Same weights, packaged to just run. Now, size. These files get big. One weight is a number that takes about 4 bytes, so 3 billion weights is already around 12 gigabytes. Bigger models need serious memory to hold all that. So we shrink them with a trick called quantization. We squeeze each weight into fewer bits. You'll see tags like Q4 or Q8. Smaller file runs on a smaller machine for only a tiny drop in accuracy.
So quantized basically just means compressed?
Compressed weights, yes. Same model, packed smaller so it fits your computer. Nothing more frightening than that. And here's the best part. You almost never build these from scratch. You start from someone else's trained file. Next, pre-trained models and fine-tuning.